Pitcairn Island. The Pitcairn Islands are technically part of the UK, but you'll find them isolated in the middle of the South Pacific, scattered across hundreds of miles of ocean. Of the 4 islands in the group, only Pitcairn Island is inhabited, and even then, just barely. In 2023, only 35 people lived there. That makes it the least populated territory in the world, with permanent residents. But getting there is where things get really difficult. First of all, there's no airport, no airstrip, and no deep-water port. The only way to reach Pitcairn is by boat, through a small spot called Bounty Bay, but you can't just sail up to it. Ships have to anchor offshore, and then people and cargo are moved to land by small longboats operated by locals. The surrounding coast is all steep cliffs and jagged rocks, so there's nowhere else to land. To even get to that point, most travelers have to fly to Mangareva, a remote island in French Polynesia that's 427 miles away, and then board the MV Silver Supporter, the only regular passenger and cargo ship that goes to Pitcairn. It only runs once a week, and the trip takes over 30 hours by sea. There are no other ways, and if bad weather hits, everything's delayed. Emergency evacuations show just how cut off Pitcairn really is. In 2014, someone who needed urgent medical care had to first go through a 335 miles open boat trip to Mangareva, before catching an air ambulance for another 975 miles to Tahiti. Pitcairn is so remote that even finding it was a challenge in history. Early explorers often mischarted it, and even Captain James Cook